back again with another video. If you're wondering why I'm eating something, I'm eating Taco Bell. Okay. So, I can't be filming for long because I got a piano lesson. I play piano. I have a piano lesson today at like 2 o'clock, and I still gotta, edit this video, so I'm not gonna be filming for that long, but yeah. Guys want a bite? Sorry if my game is a little laggy. It takes a little while to load, so don't mind if, yeah. See what I mean? I'm gonna pause the video and then I'm gonna unpause it whenever it's loaded. Wait, this is actually kind of cute. Oh no. So, I don't know who this is, but I want to throw her off the gorge so bad, guys. I'm sorry, but I didn't really ask because I'm not role-playing. Dear, I'm not role-playing. That's it. I'm gonna throw her off the gorge. I'm gonna trick her. That was fun. I'm gonna run. Okay. Well, that was random. I'm just gonna explore. I wonder if you could summon NPCs in public service. I think you can. But it's also more dangerous. Because you're clearly putting everyone else in danger. And they will get banned for no reason. Because you never know. And you'll mistake an NPC for another player. Then you'll touch them. And then you get, you know what? You know what I mean? Oh, look. Okay. That scared me. Because I have my mind on NPCs right now. I might do a video soon enough on summoning NPCs. Soon enough. But right now, yeah. Whoa. Whoa, what is this place? I've never been here before. Oh, never mind. I've been here before. I just found my way to ThunderClan. I was on Thunderpath. Well, that's cool. Okay, so I'm doing this thing where I put my name as I need a non-cat, and then my bio is tell me a non-cat animal and I'll make it. Oh my god, that is an alien and it's so cute. I love it so much. That's adorable. No. Okay. Look at it. So cute. She's so derpy. She's a derpy little dude. Come on. I got a nacho. Here, Blue, would you like a nacho? Ooh, drama. Drama. Someone has an idea. Oh no, girl, I didn't mean give me an on cat. I mean, name a non-cat. I mean, name a non-cat so I can make a girl. I didn't mean give me a non-cat. That fox is so slay. Look at it. I love the colors. That fox is so slay though. Like, guys, who agrees? Well, then why not trade it? No. 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 Okay, so this girl said coyote. That's so good. I love it. She asked for my, I really wish I could give you blue, but I can't. If you're watching this video, I cannot give you blue because blue is my mascot, and I don't think you knew. Girl, I don't think she knew that, she was my mascot. But, yeah, I am making a coyote. Okay. So we're gonna go over here. I already know what coyotes look like. I love coyotes. Ever since I was a baby, I loved coyotes. I always found them adorable. Like, who wouldn't? Oof. They are so cute. I just can't. Oof. Oh my god. Okay. So let's add wheat fur because I think that's appropriate. We need... No. Leg stripes? Like, I can make them barely noticeable. I think that'd be cool. We need a brindle, too. Okay, so, first of all, I gotta do the body colors. Let me see what colors coyotes are. So, oh, that's actually perfect! Okay. Let's just go a little lighter. And that's good. Okay. So, we're just gonna color it all in this. That's actually the perfect color. Like, look at it, guys. It's so perfect. Gotta be careful. So, what I like to do is I like to pick a color and color the whole cat that color, and then I work on details. It's like a base. And I think most warrior cat players do this. I don't think all of them do, though. And I totally support that. Like, you make your morph how you want to make your morph, and I support that. I like what people do whenever they blend, because I do that a lot with my morphs, and I always find it so satisfying. But, yeah, however you make your morphs, I like it, because they always turn out good. No matter if you think they look good or not, they are beautiful, and I know so. So, guys, respect your creations, because your creations are beautiful, okay, guys? Beautiful speech. Do coyotes have socks? I don't know if they do. I'm gonna add a cape and then I'm gonna blend it. Very slightly blend it. I think they also do have underbellies, which is totally fine. Add the brindle now. Let me add a cape. Yeah, hold on, let me get rid of that. I'm gonna add a cape real quick. Go dark up here. This is so cute. Okay, yeah. And then I'm gonna add a single body stripe to make the blend more necessary. We're gonna go a bit lighter over here. Just so the blend is more realistic, you know what I mean? And we're gonna go a bit lighter. We're gonna go lighter as we go down. And then we're going to go super light for the belly. If we can. Okay, yeah, that's good. That's cute. Now all we got to do is blend this. Oh, it's already kind of blended. I think that's good, right? What do you guys think? Now we're going to add a brindle. We're going to go super duper dark for the brindle. But we're also going to go super duper light for the leg brindle. Because I think that's necessary. Yeah, that's cute. What do you guys think? I think that's cute. I like to make videos on making morphs. I just love doing that. To give y'all little tips, you know. And if you guys want to, you guys can copy this morph if you ever want to. I don't mind, to be honest, because I'm not saving this morph. I don't have enough slots. I need to be gifted, I need to be gifted slots, by the way, guys. So, I'm not saving this coyote morph, but whenever I get more slots, I'm definitely going to be saving this morph. But I still won't have it, so I'm going to have to remake it, which is totally fine, because I got a video of it. I'll remember what it looks like. Oops. Oh, Mango joined me. Hi, Mango. Very cute. Very, very soleil. Very demure. Very, very mindful. Okay. Now let's work on the face now. Great. There's a big bow. We could, oh, that's cute. We could add a big bow on here. I don't know what that is, but whatever. Okay. Okay, we need to go to fur now. Okay, so we need back fur and back leg fur. We also need a mane, because that's necessary, right, guys? We need wrist fur. We need fuzzy head tuft. I don't know what that is. Fuzzy neck tuft, fuzzy head tuft. There it is. So good. We need leg fur now. Perfect. It's so floofy. Okay, so guys, I really want Warrior Cats to make an update where there's fur on the sides, because the sides look so bland. You know what I mean? The sides are so bland. So, I really want that to be an update. We need some face fur. I can't. Ugh. What is this? The looking face fur looks pretty good on that. TBH. We need the wispy inner ear tuft. If I could find it. Inner ear tuft. Under ear fur? What's that? I don't see it. Okay, well, I don't know where that was, but whatever. Okay, let me just look it up. Inner ear fur. There it is. Wispy. Yeah. 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 That's fine. Now I gotta get that color. Go all the way down the back. Okay. And we need this color too. To color that. I don't know what color coyotes have in their ears. I think they have like a grayish pink, which is totally fine because there's a grayish pink right here that fits beautifully. They got black noses, and I think they also have black toe beans, which is crazy. I'm gonna add paw speckles. We need the paws. Okay, let's go lighter. Okay, perfect. That's so cute. What do you guys think? I think that's adorable. Okay, now we're gonna go all the way back to head. Okay, so we need a forehead diamond. That's good, right? We need eye markings and the under eye markings. Let's add some fangs too, why don't we? Under eye. Oh, heck no! I don't like that. I like this better. That's better. We need whisker pads and muzzle pads. And I think let's add a muzzle spot. Head spots? What is that there? No. Let's add lower cheeks. Let's add a heart stamp too. That's cute, right? Boom, boom, and boom. Okay, now let's go here. Boom, boom. You can barely notice it, but it's there, guys. It's there. Now let's make these whisker pads dark. Let's make that dark. Let's also make the eyebrows dark. Why don't we? Let's do this, 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 this. Okay. Let's also go here. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. That's cute, right, guys? It's cute. It's a very cute coyote. Very cute coyote. All coyotes are cute, you know what I mean? They're all so cute. Bro, I cannot color this. I think the hardest thing to color is probably one of the stone warden things. Those are so hard to do, especially on a phone. But, I mean, this ain't bad, but it's still kind of hard. Let's blend, shall we? Let's blend this tail. I think that's necessary. Ew, why is it that color? It's not supposed to be that color. What the heck? It's not supposed to be that color. Bruh. Why is it that color? Ew. I don't like it at all. I can't remember what's the right color now. Let's go here. It's still the wrong color, but I guess I gotta go with it. Yo, it's purple. Why is it purple? Well, I guess I found out how to make a purple cat, but I mean, like, why is it purple? I hate it. It doesn't fit, but honestly, TBH, this is kind of cute. Okay, I'm not mad. Let's add red eyes. Oh yeah, that's so good. Let's add red and brown. Yeah, that's cute. Let's make that, what color? It's red. Go down. That's good. And there it is, guys. There's our coyote dude. Ain't he cute? I'm not doing the blendy toes. Okay. That's our coyote. Isn't he cute? And the girl ain't there. I was gonna give it to the girl, but whatever, I guess. Look! Oh, it's so cute. I'm gonna go find a lucky person to give this coyote to. This beauty. Alright, who's gonna be the lucky person to get this coyote? You! You! Oh. You're the... I can't see. Chosen one. She's probably so confused right now. She's like, wait, what? For what? You get this. She said, oh! I don't know. You get this coyote morph. What do you want, kid? Get away. Oh, that's the same kid I threw off the gorge. Oh, no. She's returned. If you guys remember, I threw this kid off the gorge. I don't think she knows it's me. Anyway, Let me pause the thing so I can look for her username. It's Coda sorry, Coda. Sorry, Mango. Mango, that's your name. You are the new chosen one. That other girl poofed. You're the chosen one. You're the chosen one. You get this. Coyote morph mango. You get this coyote morph mango. Hold on, let me look for Mango's user. You're welcome, my friend. Really, Twixie? That's your morph. What? Huh? I'm so confused. Take the morph. I worked hard on it. And the other girl poofed. She didn't want my morph. Take it. Deadpool. Where's Deadpool? I want to see Deadpool. Oh, that is Deadpool. That's so cute. Just take it. I don't want it. I'm not saving it. Why did someone give me a rainbow trout? I'm gonna put the rainbow trout down. I has no slots. I got no slots left. Stop giving us trouts. I don't got slots either. Well. Oh well. I tried saying crap in the chat. Where's Deadpool? Deadpool. Where is Wolverine? Where's Deadpool? I gotta look for him. I don't know where he went. What the? Where did he go? Is that him? Indeed. Come here, you. Deadpool, where is Wolverine? Oh my god. He took the kit. Oh no. Kit, you better run. In my inventory. Oh. Okay. Why is Deadpool taking the kit? Leave the kit alone. Why do I low-key want to keep... Hey! Quit it! Why do I low-key want to keep this morph? Sorry, all the dogs tried fighting. I gotta stop them. Was that a Luna? Anyway. Does it look like I have anywhere to save it? I might have to get rid of Maple Sock, guys. No. Guys, I don't know what to do. I don't know where to put her. Him. What the heck, bruh? This one's everyone's favorite. Everyone wants this morph, so I can't get rid of it. I'm gonna get rid of Lucy. No, I'm just kidding. I'm never gonna get rid of Lucy. Oh. I mean, Orange Wing is just an upgrade of the present morph. The Orange Tabby. I used to call him Donald Trump because he kind of looks like Trump, TBH, but I don't know. I'm not getting rid of Sunset Halo. I'm probably going to be getting rid of Orange Wing, so... Guys, say bye-bye, Orange Wing. You will be missed. You will be missed, Orange Wing. Here's the memorial, guys. You're going to watch the pain. Oh my god, the pain. Okay guys, well that's it for this video. I gotta go get ready for piano now. And I still gotta upload this video, which is gonna take like 10 minutes. So yeah, Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!